Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to combine photos on iPhone. So guys, if you want to combine photos like this, you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open shortcuts and now tap on plus icon, and from here search for select photos, and from here tap on this arrow button and then tap on select multiple. After this, search here for combine images, and from here tap on horizontally or vertically, and now check this to vertically. And after this you have to simply search for save to photos, and now you have to simply tap on arrow button and rename it the shortcut combine images, and after this tap on done button, and now you have to simply tap on the arrow icon again, and now tap on add to home screen, and now tap on add also, and now you have to simply tap on combine images, and from here select the photos which you want to combine, and then tap on done icon, and now you have to go to your photos, and here you will see the photos of combined images. So guys, you can see this. In this way you can also combine photos on your iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.